Hi, this is a video about how to play Jingle Bells on the soprano recorder. So having this music in front of you is helpful. Let's just get started with the first line. This is going to be the green box, and it's on the first line and the third line of the song. So here I go. We're starting on B. Jing. Yeah. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. All right, so first line, the green line is beep, 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 B, D, G, A, B. Let's do that a couple times. Let's sing and show 2 more times. Beep, 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 B, D, G, A, B. So high D is just your second finger, so no thumb, no first finger. Beep, 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 B, D, G, A, B. All right, let's try to play it now. So obviously the first B, 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 easy. It's this part that's tricky. B, D, G. Let's do that together. I'll go first, you go after. Your turn. B, D, G. Now let's play it together. Now let's add A, B. All right, let's do the entire green line now. And then let's sing, oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. If you can do that, you're ready to keep going with the video. If you can't, go back and keep practicing until you can, okay? For the rest of us, let's go on to the yellow box because we've got to repeat there, all right? So that's gonna be, oh, what fun it is to ride in a, and it's really just 2 notes, all right? It's gonna be high C. So high C, if you start at A, and you just lift up your first finger, that's high C, all right? So it's gonna go C, 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 B, 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 B. So we're really just switching from high C to B. C, 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 B, 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 B. Let's play it. I'll go first, you go after. Let's do it again. C, 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 B, 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 B. All right, now you're ready to do the green box, the yellow box, rest. The green box, the yellow box, rest. Okay, let's try it. I realized I forgot to rest on the blue box and the red box, but oh well, hopefully you just stopped and you did take a rest, okay? So if you can do that, then you're good to keep going. If not, stop the video, rewind, keep practicing until you can do that. All right, so now let's look at our blue box. It's gonna be starting on B. One horse open sleigh, hey, beep, A, B, A, D, B, A, B, A, D. Let's play it 3 more times. One more time. Awesome. Pretty simple. You just really got to use your ear and think, okay, one horse open sleigh, hey. All right, now let's learn the red box. So it's one horse open sleigh. Ooh, little change there, sorry. D, D, C, A, G. Let's sing that 2 more times. D, D, C, A, G. That's nice because you don't have to switch. You don't use B at all, so we're skipping B. D, D, C, A, G. Let's play it. Let's play it 2 more times. I went to B instead of skipping it. Whoops, do it again. All right, let's try to play the whole thing. You know all the parts, just do your best. Use this video as many times as you need. Here we go. Happy practicing.